Hello students, today I am going to explain you about the functional group and we will see the types of functional group. What is functional group? It is an atom or group of atoms joined in an organic compound which determines the chemical properties and reactivity of that compound. As its name is functional, here is function, that means it determines the function of that compound. That's why it is called functional group. Let us see some common functional groups in the table. Here is some functional groups with the general formula, types of organic compounds and the suffix that we use. The first one is halide group. General formula is Rx. Here R is the alkyl group and X is the halogens. The compounds that are formed are called the haloalkanes and suffix used is ane. For hydroxyl group, OH group, the general formula is ROH. The compounds are alcohols and suffix used is all. For aldehyde group, it is CHO. The general formula is RCHO and the compounds are aldehydes with the suffix al. For carboxyl group, the formula is COOH. General formula is RCOOH and the compounds form is carboxylic acids and the suffix is oic acid. Keto and ethers, they are also the functional group. We will study these functional groups in the higher classes. Let us start with the halide group. The compounds are called haloalkanes. Its general formula is Rx, suffix is ane. Here R is the alkyl group and X is the halogens. These halogens may be chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. Let us see in the table. Molecular formula, structural formula, condensed formula, common name and ionic name. If we take n is equal to 1, that means carbon atom is 1, then molecular formula becomes CH3Cl. Structural formula is like this. Carbon is at the center. 3 valencies of carbon are satisfied by hydrogen and 1 is satisfied by chlorine. Its condensed formula becomes CH3Cl. We can see here 1 carbon atom and 3 hydrogen atom. So it is CH3Cl. Its common name is methyl chloride and ionic name is chloromethane. For 2 carbon atoms, molecular formula is C2H5Cl. Its condensed formula will be CH3, CH2Cl. Its common name is ethyl chloride and ionic name is chloroethane. Similarly, for 3 carbon atoms, and suppose we take bromine in place of chlorine, then its common name becomes propyl bromide, as we have taken bromine as the functional group and its ionic name is bromopropane. For 4 carbon atoms, the molecular formula becomes C4H9 and suppose we take iodine in place of bromine or chlorine, then its common name becomes butyl iodide and ionic name is iodobutane. Second one is hydroxyl group. They are also called alcohol. General formula ROH, suffix OL, that is all. Let us see in the table. For 1 carbon atom, the molecular formula becomes CH3OH. Here CH3 is the alkyl group and OH is the functional group. Its structural formula is like this. Carbon is at the center. 3 valencies of carbon are satisfied by hydrogen and 1 valency with OH, hydroxyl group. Its condensed formula is CH3OH. Its common name is methyl alcohol and ionic name is methanol. For 2 carbon atoms, its common name becomes ethyl alcohol and ionic name is ethanol. For 3 carbon atoms, the molecular formula is C3H7OH. its condensed formula become CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. We can see in the structure formula CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Its common name becomes propyl alcohol, as here are 3 carbon atoms and IUPAC name is propanol. Here prop is the root word, N is the primary suffix and all is the secondary suffix. Butyl alcohol, it is the common name for 4 carbon atoms of the alcohol group and the molecular formula C4H9OH and its IUPAC name is butanol. It is important to know that functional group are the secondary suffix, as we can see butanol. But it is the root word, N it is the primary suffix and all is the secondary suffix and all is the functional group. Let us move to the next group, aldehyde group. Aldehyde group compounds are called alkanals with the general formula RCHO and suffix al. Let us see in the table. We can see the general formula RCHO. Here already there is one carbon atom. So if we start with 1, we will not take any more carbon atom. That means N is equal to 0. Then its molecular formula becomes HCHO. We can see in the structural formula carbon, it has 4 valency. 2 valency is satisfied with oxygen and other 2 valencies are satisfied with these 2 hydrogens. Its condensed formula is HCHO. Its common name is formaldehyde and IUPAC name is methanol. If we take one carbon atom, that is N is equal to 1, then the molecular formula becomes CH3CHO. Condensed formula CH3CHO. Its common name is acetaldehyde and IUPAC name is ethanol. Here ethane, it is the root word, N it is the primary suffix and al is the secondary suffix and this is the functional group. If N is equal to 2, then the formula becomes C2H5CH3. Here 3 carbon atoms are there. 2 carbon atom and 1 carbon atom is already present in the aldehyde group. So its common name becomes propanaldehyde and IUPAC name is propanol. Similarly, for 4 carbon atoms, suppose we take 3 extra carbon atom and 1 carbon atom is already present here. Its common name becomes butyraldehyde and IUPAC name is butanol. For carboxylic acid group, the compounds are called alkanoic acid. The general formula is RCOOH. Suffix used is oic acid. Let us see in the table. Here we can see one carbon atom is already present. So we will start with N is equal to 0. Then molecular formula becomes HCOOH. Let us see the structural formula. Carbon is at the center. 2 valencies of carbon is satisfied by oxygen and 2 other valencies are satisfied by 1 hydrogen and 1 OH group. Now its condensed formula is HCOOH. Common name is formic acid and IUPAC name is methanoic acid. Oic is the suffix used for carboxylic acid. If N is equal to 1, that means we are taking extra carbon atom. Then the molecular formula becomes CH3COOH. Condensed formula is CH3COOH. Common name is acetic acid and IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. If we take N is equal to 2, then molecular formula becomes C2H5COOH. Condensed formula CH3CH2COOH. Let us see in the structural formula. It is CH3, CH2 and COOH. Its common name is propionic acid and IUPAC name is propanol. Noic acid. If we take 3 extra carbon atoms, then the molecular formula becomes C3H7COOH. Condensed formula CH3 CH2 CH2 COOH. Its common name will be butyric acid and IUPAC name is butanoic acid. It is important. What is the importance of alkyl group and functional group? In an organic compound, alkyl group determines the physical properties, whereas functional group determines the chemical properties or the reactivity of the organic compound. So as students, we come to know some of the functional group. Apart from these, alkene and alkynes, they are also the functional group, but IUPAC does not consider them as the functional group, but we have to study alkene and alkyne as the functional group that we have already studied in the previous video. I hope the things are clear. If you have any doubt, then you will consult me, and you will must like it if you found it helpful.